High winds and high stakes. This hot air balloon slamming straight into the side of a California casino Monday. Chopper video capturing the high soaring chaos moments after the balloon took flight. You can see it wobbling in the air above the parking lot of the Sky River Casino as guests gather at a groundbreaking ceremony for a new hotel resort. The balloon drifts closer to the building, then crashes into the side. The basket hooking on the roof, nearly flipping over. The lone pilot inside, hanging on. The balloon beginning to tatter and float away. Then, minutes later, it collides with a power line. You can see the spark.
It's amazing that the pilot was able to get down safely and that there was no injuries. And seeing that all now, he was lucky with the wire.
According to local police, unexpected high winds caused the balloon to make an unplanned launch. Something local experts say can turn dangerous fast.
Winds that were going one direction suddenly go 30 directions. You can't predict what's going to happen next. Those can be violent. They're nothing you want to play with in a balloon.
The 20-minute mishap coming to a dramatic close as the balloon landed in an open field, still battling the wind and being dragged. Deflated, somehow, the undefeated and unscathed pilot emerges and begins to wrap up the balloon. The FAA and NTSB were notified per local authorities. A risky bet, not on the casino floor, but high above it.
Experts say these incidents are actually pretty rare as long as you follow best practices like flying these hot air balloons in the morning when winds are traditionally calmer, and for large-scale events, using a smaller balloon. That way, if something goes wrong, you have more time to course correct.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.